everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get GitHub badges. Want to make your GitHub README files look like a professional one? In this video, I'll show you how to get and use GitHub badges for repositories. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to use shields.io for badges. And to do that, just go to shields.io. It's a free tool for generating GitHub badges. Let's go and check it out. And here you can click on Get Started and make your GitHub badges. You can choose the spacing, modify it, etc. The second step is to find your badge. Search for badges like GitHub stars, forks, build status or licenses, and then click on the badge you need. And for the third step is to copy the markdown code. You can choose the markdown format and copy the code. For example, I have this code right here. You can copy it. You can change it by your username and your repo name and your social, etc. The fourth step is to paste the code in your readme.md. And to do that, just open your readme file and paste the badge code. As for the fifth and final step, save and preview. Commit the file and check your GitHub repository to see the badges in action. You can check them by going to your GitHub account and then go to your repositories by going to home, click on it. Here, and you can go and commit the file. Use different badges styles. You can use flat, plastics or social. You can add GitHub Actions badges to show CI and CD status, and use custom badges to display personal messages or achievements. And that's how you get and use GitHub badges to make your profile and repositories look more professional. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.